Do you want to learn how to get discovered on Twitch and rank higher in video game categories? Are you tired of swimming in the sea of streamers, or of being at the bottom of your video game never to be discovered? I mean, what streamer wants to play a game like Fortnite never to be discovered, being at the bottom of the list with 0 viewers? Well, let me tell you a little secret. As a small streamer myself, I usually find myself in this position pretty often. Do you want to find a game that you can enjoy and actually get discovered by viewers? Well, if you're gonna make it to the top, this is how you're gonna do it. Before we get into the video, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. It really helps me out as a YouTuber. Thanks again, you guys. What's going on, you guys? CalmCoolSavage back with another helpful streaming tutorial on how to get discovered on Twitch and gain more viewers in gaming categories. Now, I have some very valuable information for all the small streamers out there. Have you ever wanted to stream a different game, but you're not sure if you'd get viewers streaming that game or not? Well, with this website that I'm about to tell you guys about, you can choose a video game and put in your average viewers that you usually get, and it will calculate the amount of viewers and where you'll get placed in that gaming category. So if you're trying to boost your discoverability and you want to be the second or third streamer in a video game, this is how you're going to do it. First thing you're going to want to do is go to the website Twitch Strike. I will leave a link for you guys in the description. Once you're on Twitch Strike, it's super simple. All you have to do is scroll right down below. Things are changing. Welcome to the new redesigned What to Play page. This is now a much more personal list of games aimed to find you a game that is right for your channel's audience size. The new system works out how high your thumbnail will show on a game stream page. For more details about this and future updates, please click here. Now, it goes on to say Twitch Strike was designed as a tool to supply streamers with data so they can make better decisions on when and what to play. So that's what Twitch Strike was designed for, and you can also promote your stream on the page here. But we're here so that you can find a game to get discovered in. Now, what you're gonna do to find a game is scroll down below. Right here, you're gonna choose your language. Mine's English, of course. Next, you're going to want to put your average viewers. Now, I usually average around 10 to 5, so I'm going to go ahead and put 10 here. Right here, it says generate report. Go ahead and press that. It's going to tell you the best games to stream this hour. As you scroll down, it's going to show various games. And right here, it will show where you'll pop up in the ranking. So if you want to rank up high and get like second or third, all you have to do is scroll down and just keep scrolling down the list until you find a game that will get you a placement of second or third. Now, as we scroll down here, I have found my first game. And if I were to stream this game with my average viewers, it would place me around the third streamer. Now that's pretty good, right? And if we keep scrolling down, oh look, here's another one, Elder Scrolls. Right here, boom, I would get third streamer. Let's see, is there anything else in here? Kingdom Hearts, second streamer. Knockout City, second streamer. And if you go ahead and click on view more info, it'll actually give you guys the current data on this game. Right now there's 35 channels, 157 viewers, and a 4 ratio. It tells you when the most popular channels stream, when the most viewers are on, and when the best ratio is. It also tells you when the least popular channels are on, the least viewers are on, and the least ratio. So for this specific game, Wednesday around this time would be the best. If you want to get a little more technical, right down below is the heat map. This will show you what times your viewers will be moving through that video game. And there you have it. That's how to get discovered on Twitch and rank higher in video game categories. Although it's not always guaranteed that you'll get that placement for that video game, as long as you start your usual stream with your game that you usually play and build up your viewers and then switch over to that game, you'll get placed right into the spot. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope this video could help you out in any way. If this video did help you out, leave a comment below and let me know what you think. Let's have a conversation down there. And I also stream over at twitch.tv/CalmCoolSavage. So if there's any other small streamers out there who like what I do, and you're interested in collabing, hit me up in a DM in the Discord. Right now I upload on YouTube every Monday and usually Thursdays. In the future, I'm looking to upload way more, so if you guys want to support the channel, make sure to hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage, and keep grinding, small streamers. I'll see you in the next one.